Okay, so first, we're gonna cut these peppers up, okay? And this how I be liking to cut them, because I be saving my seeds and I be planting them, okay? So we just gonna cut the top off like so. Twist, voila. Okay, we're gonna save these seeds. And now we're gonna cut the red one too. And then pop his head off. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. Ugh. Okay, we're gonna rip his head off. Oh, look at the baby peppers in there. Cute. Save those for later. I'm going to save these for later because I don't need all these peppers. Alright. Still got some seeds right here. We're going to save him. Okay. And we're going to chop. And then we're going to go this way. One more. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing to the red pepper. Take this little white part off. Chop it. Chop it. Slice it. Slice it. Slice. One more slice. Okay, now we're gonna mix them together and we're gonna super chop. Now I like to super chop like this. So if you don't like to super chop like this, you super chop how you like to super chop. But this is how I like to super chop. There we go. There we go. Now these pieces that flew over here is fine because we're just going to eat these, okay? Nom nom. Oh wait, this one did not get super chopped. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take our grapeseed oil and we're going to put it in the pan. Nice little light coat. We're also going to put it in this pan too and turn this on. Now I like to make mine right there on a 5, okay? You can make your noodles wherever you want to make them, but I like mine on a 5. Same thing with this. Right on the 5. Okay? So once you got this heating up, we're gonna just add these in here. Oh wait, what's this? Why this piece didn't get chopped? We're just gonna eat that piece, don't worry about that. Okay, the rest of this, bam. Alright, so this is the meat you need. Plant-based, okay? You see this? You see this Wegmans brand? You see how it's definitely not Impossible meat? And it's not Beyond Meat. It is Wegmans plant-based ground. We're going to season these peppers. Get you some Lawry's, okay? If you don't have no Lawry's, it's not gonna taste like real meat. And you want it to taste like the real thing. You want your kids to eat it. You're going to eat it. Okay, get you some black pepper. Pepper on the peppers. Some onion powder. Now, I know some people like the onion salt, but I don't know. I like the powder. It's the powder for me. And then some garlic powder. Same thing. If you a salty person, I'm sorry. I'm a powdery person. Give me that powder. Okay. Some oregano. A lot of oregano. And some Italian seasoning. And we're gonna slap your mama a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Nice little kick to it, okay? Now mix this in like so. Get it nice and juicy. Okay. Now we're gonna season the water. And I know some people don't be seasoning their water for their noodles, but I like my noodles to be nice and seasoned. So we're gonna season the water too. Do some pepper. And some Italian seasoning. And some celery, okay? That's all you need for the water for your noodles. Okay, now we're gonna open up these, and they got a nice little tab on. You just pull and it comes open. Look how easy that was. Okay, throw that in there like so. Next one, same thing. Just tab it over here. Oh, I was just telling y'all how easy it was. That's crazy. This one is deformed. Well, you just gotta get it open. Okay, well, I don't have a lot of patience, so we're gonna just cut open the sides, okay? Okay. Pop it out. Slap it in there, okay? Now, before you season the meat, we're gonna crunch it up so that when we season it, it's nice and even, okay? I be wanting to season it to get all in the crevices. You just gotta crunch it up like so.
Get 5.9% APR for 84 months on Sierra AV without a model. That's almost 7 factories average funding savings.
Okay, now that it's all nice and crunched, and now get the celery. Your onion powder. We already talked about this, but make sure you get your powder. Same thing with the garlic powder. And some, oh, not that side. Make sure you get the side with the holes in it. Don't be pouring all this Italian seasoning in there. This is nice. Coat it. There we go. And some oregano. All right. Y'all did not see that. Now, mix it in, okay? Make sure you really get it in there. You want everything to be nice and evenly seasoned. Every bite to be scrumptious, okay? That means you gotta really get it up in there. Force it in there. That's what she said. Okay. Stuff them peppers all up in the creases too. Okay. Get that pepper juice all oozing all over it too. Yeah, you see that? You see this? This is how you want it to look. Okay, so the water, it looks hot enough. We're gonna go ahead and add our noodles. Now I like to take my noodles. I know a lot of people like slurping their noodles up. I don't really like slurping my noodles up. So I crack them in half. So they can be nice bite size, okay? Let's get some more. Yes, perfecto. All right, now see this color? It's beautiful. You want that color on all the meat though. We want all the meat to be one color. Now we're gonna add a little bit more grapeseed oil. Just cause I like it to be nice and juicy, okay? Just a little bit. Crunch up some of these big balls, big meatballs. Unless you want your spaghetti with big ass meatballs, you can keep the big meatballs. But I like it to be medium size. I like my balls medium. Yes. Get it up in there. Perfect. Now we're gonna let that cook a little bit longer. You see this color? This is how you want it. this is how you need it to be. Okay, if it's not like this, it's not gonna hit the same. See it? You see it? Oh yes, just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and wait on these noodles. Do you see these noodles? Y'all don't realize it, but they was taking forever, okay? Now they are nice and ready to go, okay? So we're gonna drain them and then add the meat and then cover it up with the red sauce and then stir it up and eat it. Okay, now we're just gonna smush it all together like so. Oh yes, get up in there, okay? Now, if you one of them people who don't like all your stuff touching, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It's all going in the same spot, so we're gonna make it touch.
Bacteria and fat. That balance is key to a healthy gut environment. Fiber's plant-based prebiotic fiber gently nourishes the good bacteria, working with your body to help your gut and you flourish effortlessly every day. Grow what feels good with Fiber.
Okay, and voila, finito. Time to eat. Bon appetit.